Hi there, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on London Capital Group. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so hang around. Let's get started. LCG is an online, fully regulated broker that features trading in Forex, indices, shares, commodities, spot metals, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Founded in 1996 and located in London, LCG provides traders with ECN, CFD, and Arabic accounts, which feature no requotes and direct market access. Their trademark platform, LCG Trader, is available on Windows, web, iOS, and Android. However, you can also trade with MetaTrader 4 if you would prefer. If you ever require any assistance on LCG's website, you can click on the Chat Now button at the bottom right of the homepage here. You can then send a message to a support representative that will get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on London Capital Group. Firstly, head over to their website at www.lcg.com. On their homepage here, you will see Open Live Account and Open Demo Account. Click on Open Demo Account. Fill in the required information such as your name, country of residence, phone number, email address, and create a password. After you have submitted the required information, you will need to then verify your email address. Head over to your email and verify your account through the link that they provided. Next, after you have verified your account, you will see your demo account is ready. You can then click on Start Trading. Next, you will need to log in with the information you provided when you created the account. Submit the email address and password you created. And it's that simple. This is LCG Trader for web on Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change the chart types here to whichever you prefer, from either candlestick, bar, and a variety of others. You can zoom in and out of the main chart windows with the magnifying glasses just above the chart types button. On the right side of the chart windows here, we can change our selected template presets to whichever you would prefer. On the right side of the main dashboard, we can see our buy and sell order window. This allows us to make buy and sell order executions on the selected trading instrument. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our popular markets panel and our watch list. To create a new watch list, let's say for Forex, we are going to select the All Markets button here and click on Forex, for example. We are going to choose the Euro-US dollar major currency pair and add it to our watch list. This will then create a new watch list specifically for Forex major currency pairs, which will then be easily accessible from the watch list panel. You can then right-click on the selected major pair to place it in a new chart window like this. This will open the window in its own separate chart for the specific currency pair. On the bottom side of the main dashboard here, we can see our open positions, active orders, history, price alerts, and our transactions. If you wish to open a more detailed buy and sell order execution window, you can select the New Order button on the right side of the bottom panel, or simply press F9. This will then open a new detailed window where you can analyze your orders and make individual buy and sell executions on the selected trading instrument. On the bottom right side of the main dashboard here, we can see LCG's economic calendar, which displays detailed analytical information that you can browse through freely. On the top left of the main dashboard here, under the Tools setting, you can change a variety of customizable tools so that you can sort and customize your charts to your personal preference. If you ever require any assistance on LCG Trader, you can select the live chat button here at the bottom left of the main dashboard. You can then send through your query and a support representative will get back to you. London Capital Group provides a wide range of educational topics for you to browse through, such as beginner guides, trading and analysis videos, and more. These videos feature topics such as market insight, Forex analysis, trading and advanced basics, understanding the consumer price index, GDP and how it's measured, common trading mistakes, and more. LCG also gives you the opportunity to sign up to their webinars, if you would prefer a more personal educational experience. One tip that could potentially help you maximize your profit potential is to consider a simple method and strategy which you completely understand. In Forex trading, sometimes the simplest methods work the best. Many people think that the more complicated their method, the more chance of success they have, and thus the more they are likely to make money. However, simpler methods are easier to trade with confidence, and as you understand the logic, you can then follow through with it confidently when you start falling short. Consider building your own simple trading methods, or browse through educational videos and guides to make it easier for you to get used to. And that's how to open a demo account on London Capital Group. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you're currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck!